Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a backtesting strategy using a SameBar multi-condition sentiment indicator to evaluate the performance of S&P 500 ETF over the last 20 years. Our strategy will test the validity of historical patterns based on specific criteria. We'll enter positions when the smart money confidence indicator is above 0.7 and the short-term combined model indicator exceeds 10. We'll exit trades once the time in market hits 5 days. For better clarity, we'll set the chart theme to dark and opt for a candle display style to enhance result visualization. Now, let's move on to the form section. Begin by selecting SPY as the symbol, then set the backtesting time range at 20 years. You can either customize the name of your backtest or go with the default one. Next, adjust the time in market to 5 days. In the Entry Criteria section, select SameBar Multi-Condition in the upper right corner to create a backtest with multiple signals on the same candle. Click on Condition 1 to input the first entry condition. Choose Smart Money Confidence from the drop-down menu of sentiment indicators and set the condition to be greater than 0.7. Next, click on Condition 2 to input the second entry condition. Choose Short-Term Combined Model from the drop-down menu of sentiment indicators and set the condition to be greater than 10. In a SameBar multi-condition backtest, the score determines the number of conditions required to be met on the same candle. When set to score 2, it's necessary to fulfill any 2 entry conditions to meet the backtest criteria, effectively using the AND logical relationship. For those seeking further insight into the score parameter, hover your mouse pointer over the question mark positioned beside the parameter. Now, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Result tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. The Summary tab provides an overview of the overall data from the backtest results, while the Trades tab offers details on each trade. Even though the default exit condition is time in market 5 days, the Exit with Default Time in Market tab reveals trade outcomes with different exit times such as 1 week, 2 weeks, and more. The chart also displays specific buying and selling information. Green triangles indicate entry points, while red triangles signify exit points. As we set the entry conditions to Smart Money Confidence greater than 0.7 and Short-Term Combined Model greater than 10, bearing in mind the default trade price is the current close, we'll initiate a purchase at the closing price of the day when these conditions are met. Exit points coincide with our time in market 5-day setting, signifying we'll sell after 5 days once the condition is met. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on creating a SameBar multi-condition backtest using sentiment indicators. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.